Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, create a Simbrief account and sign in on the Simbrief website. Next, confirm Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 is updated to the latest version before proceeding. Choose an aircraft that accepts imported flight plans, such as default Garmin or FMC-equipped airliners. Keep weight, fuel, and payload numbers ready because we will enter them precisely in Simbrief. Prepare to export a Microsoft Flight Simulator (PLN) file that the simulator can import directly into the World Map interface. In Simbrief, create a new mission by entering airport ICAO codes and preferred routing. Add passenger count, cargo, and exact fuel quantities before calculating the plan. After calculation, choose the Msfs 2020 PLN download option and save the file to an easy folder. Keep the PLN file name recognizable and note its location for import. If you use a third-party aircraft, also download any specific FMC legs or NAV data that the aircraft requires for accurate autopilot behavior. Open Microsoft Flight Simulator and go to the World Map screen to begin import. Click Load/Save and choose Import Flight Plan, then navigate to the saved PLN file and open it. Confirm the plan appears on the map and set the simulator weight or fuel numbers to match Simbrief inputs precisely. Activate the plan and start at the gate or ramp, then verify SID and star assignments visually and in the FMC. Finally, check autopilot and VNAV logic during taxi and initial climb for proper guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.